Lumen unveils an ambitious blueprint for reinventing the Internet's foundation to power the AI revolution. Lumen unveils an ambitious blueprint for reinventing the Internet's foundation to power the AI revolution. Top technology and product leader urges a Cloud 2.0 overhaul, a pressing redesign of the current cloud core to handle AI's rapid expansion. Picture this: our global Internet infrastructure, the very backbone connecting billions of devices and ideas, is teetering on the edge of overload as artificial intelligence explodes in demand. That's the stark reality Lumen Technologies is confronting head-on with a game-changing proposal. In a fervent appeal to tech giants, major corporations, and government bodies, Lumen, Lumen, has just rolled out a visionary plan to overhaul the Internet's core to tackle the extraordinary challenges posed by AI. This initiative, elaborated in a fresh white paper from Lumen's Chief Technology and Product Officer, Dave Ward, warns that existing Internet and cloud setups, crafted for the stable, centralized computing of what they call Cloud 1.0, simply can't cope with the 100-fold surge in east-west traffic. That's the data zipping between servers within a data center, the emergence of instantaneous AI decision-making, and the requirement for lightning-fast latencies under 5 milliseconds that AI applications crave. Ward's publication, titled Cloud 2.0, Because AI Won't Operate on Outdated Networks, insists on a total overhaul to truly accommodate AI's vast-scale operations. But here's where it gets intriguing. Are we on the brink of a digital transformation that's as disruptive as the original Internet boom? Ward dives deep, arguing that the public Internet isn't boundless or adaptable enough for AI's specific needs. Cloud 2.0 demands a full restart, incorporating customizable networks, enormous bandwidth boosts, and innovative distributed connections and entry points, Ward explains. This isn't just a minor tweak, it's about reconstructing the Internet's heart for the AI age. For over 10 years, Cloud 1.0 has been awkwardly grafted onto networks that weren't built for the vastness and ferocity of multi-cloud AI tasks. Yet, projections show U.S. data center space ballooning to nearly 1 billion square feet by 2030. AI is fueling transfers of data in exabyte volumes, needing speeds of 400G and beyond to keep up, while massive AI training sessions require near-zero delays. Ward contends that piecemeal fixes won't cut it anymore. The sector needs to adopt Cloud 2.0, a seamless blend of cloud and corporate network designs tailored explicitly for AI. And this is the part most people overlook. Cloud 2.0 isn't just a buzzword. It outlines key characteristics that networks must adopt to handle AI's growing hunger. Let's break them down for clarity, especially for those new to networking. AI's rapid spread and shift to decentralized systems. AI tasks are projected to multiply over 50 times by 2030, with a move toward distributed setups that require under 5 ms response times and fully adaptable, ultra-fast networks. This means placing computing power right where intelligence is most needed, like at the edge of networks for quicker decisions. Think of it as bringing the brain closer to the action in a smart home system. Increasing density and variety in business networks. By 2028, companies will juggle 10 times more links between apps and diverse multi-cloud setups from edge to center. To match this, corporate networks are becoming more packed and varied, fostering new ways to connect that surpass old Cloud 1.0 frameworks. Layering the network for better performance. The once uniform Internet is splitting into 3 specialized speed tiers: an IP gathering edge for broad connections, Ethernet and wave-based data center links for high-speed internal data flow, and dark fiber core for secure, high-capacity backbone transport. This stratification ensures each layer optimizes for speed, protection, and oversight. The fate of neutral carrier hubs. Traditional neutral sites for connections will diminish as 70% of traffic shifts to data center interconnect-focused designs by 2030, pulling networks closer to data sources, AI algorithms, and apps. Ward emphasizes that this evolution will happen quickly and relentlessly, with much of the change by 2028, opening up huge chances, but also severe threats for service providers and businesses. If America doesn't gear up, Ward cautions, Network jams will strike hard, potentially stifling creativity, postponing AI rollouts, inflating costs for companies, and introducing fresh security risks that affect national defense and worldwide economic strength. The victors in the AI epic will be those who move swiftly toward states. Firms and suppliers that pour resources into Cloud 2.0 with its programmable networks, fabric-like connections, and data center interconnect focus will flourish. Delayers might get sidelined in a world where superior connectivity is the key differentiator. These Cloud 2.0 elements directly shape Lumen's approach and funding in its tangible infrastructure, online tools, and linked partnerships, paving a progressive path for networking's future. You can grab the complete white paper for free right now. The full white paper is available for download. One full source, Cloud 2.0, because AI won't operate on outdated networks. About Lumen Technologies. Lumen is unlocking humanity's digital possibilities. We spur business expansion by linking individuals, information, and apps swiftly, safely, and smoothly. As the go-to network for AI, Lumen leverages our vast infrastructure to aid companies in maximizing AI's promise. From citywide links to cross-country data movement, plus our edge computing, protection, managed services, and digital tool sets, we address clients' current needs and prepare them for what's ahead. For updates and perspectives, check out news.lumen.com, LinkedIn/Lumen Technologies, X, Lumen CTO, Facebook/Lumen Technologies, Instagram @Lumen Technologies, and YouTube/Lumen Technologies. Lumen and Lumen Technologies are registered trademarks of Lumen Technologies LLC in the United States. Lumen Technologies LLC is a wholly owned affiliate of Lumen Technologies Incorporated. Forward-looking statement. This press release includes forward-looking statements as defined by the Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. Any statements here not tied to past events are forward-looking, such as those about our business, strategy, and operations, often marked by terms like estimates, expects, anticipates, believes, plans, intends, will, and similar phrases. These aren't guarantees of future outcomes. They're rooted in our present assumptions and vulnerable to various uncertainties, detailed in our latest annual report on Form 10-K and quarterly report on Form 10-Q, plus other SEC filings. Real results could vary significantly from these projections due to factors mentioned in our SEC documents. Media contacts. Joe Good. Joseph.good@lumen.com. +1 781 799 6048. Stephanie Mice. Stephanie.n.mice@lumen.com. View source version on businesswire.com. https://www.businesswire.com/news/home/202510228980076/n. The articles, information, and content displayed on this webpage may include materials prepared and provided by third parties. Such third-party content is offered for informational purposes only and is not endorsed, reviewed, or verified by Morningstar. Morningstar makes no representations or warranties regarding the accuracy, completeness, timeliness, or reliability of any third-party content displayed on this site. The views and opinions expressed in third-party content are those of the respective authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of Morningstar, its affiliates, or employees. Morningstar is not responsible for any errors, omissions, or delays in this content, nor for any actions taken in reliance thereon. Users are advised to exercise their own judgment and seek independent financial advice before making any decisions based on such content. The third-party providers of this content are not affiliated with Morningstar, and their inclusion on this site does not imply any form of partnership, agency, or endorsement. Now, let's stir the pot a bit. Is this call for a complete internet reboot a bold necessity, or could it be seen as an overreaction by a company like Lumen pushing its own agenda? Some might argue that incremental upgrades to Cloud 1.0 could suffice, avoiding the massive upheaval. What do you think? Will Cloud 2.0 redefine networking, or is it just another tech hype cycle? Agree, disagree, or have a fresh take? Jump into the comments and let's discuss.